What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Sometimes it's good to sell certain stocks in certain sectors that just aren't cutting it to your standards. So this is a stock that just gave me dividend income, but I just was not happy with it. And I'll show you what stock I sold it for, and I provide my rationales. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this stock out right now. And the stock I sold was HTBK, Heritage Commerce Corporation. Dividend yield is 3.68. The PE ratio is 14.43. Average volume is 202.85K. Market cap is $857.96 million US dollars. Its year range is 1042 to 1487. Its day range is 1399 to 1424, and its previous close is 1425. So I'm going to explain to you the rationales as to why I sold these guys. I really did like these guys in the beginning, but it just wasn't my cup of tea. Let's go over that. So these guys are really in California. So they have offices in San Jose, Danville, Fremont, Gilroy, Hollister, Livermore, Los Altos, Los Gatos, Morgan Hill, Oakland, Palo Alto, Pleasanton, Redwood City, San Fran, San Mateo, San Rafael, Sunnyvale, and Walnut Creek. So that's kind of a small location. So it's no wonder why they're not growing too much. They're kind of small, not kind of like bigger companies. This is a great company, by the way. I'm not going to attack them at all. Really, it just didn't cut to my standards. So I'll go over a few things with these guys. Let's start in 2013. They were 3 cents, 2014, 4 cents, 2014, 5 cents, 2015, 8 cents, 2016, 9 cents, 2017, 10 cents, 2018, 11 cents, 2019, 12 cents, 2020, 13 cents. 2021, 13 cents, and then 2022, 13 cents. So the payout ratio is 53%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 3. Annualized dividend growth in 5 years is 5.01%. That's not bad. If you bought one share, you made 52 cents with a 3.68% dividend yield. So I'm going to show you my replacement and explain why. So I sold the shares and threw it in KeyCorp. Now, remember, my goal is to get to 400 shares with these guys. They have a dividend yield of 4.42%, a PE ratio of 8.46, average volume 11.47 million, market cap 17.31 billion US dollars. So the market cap's a lot higher. Year range is 1526 to 2717. Its day range is 1841 to 1866, and its previous close was 1872. Now, let's talk about size. Let's check this out. So according to Wikipedia, KeyBank, the primary subsidiary of KeyCorp, is a regional bank headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, and is the only major bank based in Cleveland. KeyBank is one of the largest banks in the United States. Key's customer support base spans retail, small business, corporate, commercial, and investment clients. KeyBank maintains over 1,000 branches and over 40,000 ATMs, which are in 15 states. Alaska, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Maine, KeyCorp maintains business offices in 39 states. Key ranked 449th of the 2022 Fortune 500 list based on its 2021 revenue. Now let's go over their revenue. Now, this is in millions US dollars. 4,502, 2016, 5,390, 2017, 6,868, 2018, 7,393, 2019, 7,694, 2020, 7,337, and then 2021, 7,561. So, 2015 to 2021, there was an increase in revenue. But let's check out the dividend history. This is what I'm talking about. Check it out. 2013, 6 cents. 2014, 7 cents. 2015, 8 cents. 2016, 9 cents. 2017, 10 cents. And then 2018, 11 cents. You get a little dividend right here at 12 cents. Then 2018, 17 cents. 2019, still at 17. And then you go in 2019 to 19 cents. little stagnant, but guess what? You got a dividend hike in 2021 at 20 cents, and then 2022 it's 21 cents. So the dividend growth in 5 years is 10.65%. The payout ratio is 36%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. So if you bought one share, you made 82 cents with a 4.42% dividend yield. Now, let me show you how many shares I own. Right here, I'm going to be receiving dividends, and I have 128.98 shares with a rate of 20 cents. Let's just say 20 cents. And then my estimated income is $26.44. So based on that, I have an opportunity to buy more shares. And again, once I get to 400 or more, the dividend income is going to be powerful. So I had to sell one of them because I probably had too many shares in the financial sector. I didn't like the dividend growth. And I'm making $26.44 with KeyCorp. So now I'm starting to buy more shares just from dividend income, which I'm reinvesting. And then I'm going to go from there. So that's my plan. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Do you like my move? Do you like KeyCorp over HTBK? Do you like HTBK? You let me know in the comment section. You guys take care and have a good one. Have a good Sunday fun day. Take care.